This is a video to correct question 9, the last question in the exam. So they ask you to simplify these fractions. So when you have an addition of two fractions, simplifying these fractions means that you need to write them as one fraction, right? So I have the first fraction is with denominator x minus 1, and the second one, the denominator is x plus 1. So I need to write them as under the same denominator, which is x minus 1 times x plus 1. So the first one, I need to multiply the upper part and lower part by x plus 1. So 1 times x plus 1. And the second one, I need to multiply the upper part and lower part by x minus 1. So x minus 1 and 2 times x minus 1. And after that, I need to simplify the expression and write it in a better way. So x minus 1 times x plus 1, I know that this is x squared minus 1 squared. And after that, expanding this bracket, I have x plus 1 times x is x, 1 times 1 is 1. And then I need to expand 2 times x minus 1. So 2 times x is 2x, or 2 times negative 1 is minus 2. Then collect the like terms. I have x squared minus 1, and then x plus 2x is 3x. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So this is the final answer that you need to have. Now here I have the multiplication of two fractions. The multiplication of two fractions means I'm multiplying the upper parts together. So x minus 1 times x, and I'm multiplying the lower parts together. So 2x minus 3 times x minus 2. And expand this. So x times x is x squared. Negative 1 times x is minus x, and then I need to expand this. So 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times negative 2 is negative 4x. Negative 3 times x is minus 3x. Well, negative 3 times negative 2 is plus 6. Simplify this further. So I have x squared minus x, 2x squared, negative 4x minus 3x minus 7x. Plus 6, and this is the last expression that you need to get. Right, now here I have the division of two fractions. So the division, I need to change that to a multiplication and take the reciprocal of the second fraction. So it will be 6x plus 1 divided by 5 times 25 2x plus 3 divided by 6 times x plus 1, x minus 1. Well, I have things to get simplified here because I can see that I have a 6 here and a 6 here. I have x plus 1 here, x plus 1 here. I have 5 and 25. So simplifying these together, I divide this by 5, so 1, and 25 divided by 5 is 5. So the final answer will be 5 times 2x plus 3 divided by x minus 1. I can even expand the upper part, so it would be 10x plus 15 divided by x minus 1. So this is the final answer that you need to have. Now let's simplify the last expression. Let's go to D. So D, I have a division of two quadratic equations. So as I told you during the lesson, you just need to think about how to factorize this. So the upper part, I have 16x squared minus 25. This is in the form a squared minus b squared. So this can be factorized as 4x minus 5 times 4x plus 5. So I'm sure the upper part is written like that, 4x minus 5 times 4x plus 5. Now I need to think about how can I write the lower part as either 4x minus 5 times something or 4x plus 5 times something, right? Well, I think that 4x minus 5 is the one that I'm looking for. Why is that? Because I have a negative 5 at the end. So it's more suitable for me to have a negative 5 there. So I kind of know that the last term is 1 here, plus 1, because the multiplication of these two is negative 5. Now, what should I put to get 4x times what? To get 8x squared. So I think it will be 2x squared. right? Let me check if I got it correct. So 4x minus 5 times 2x, it's 2x, not 2x squared. It's 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1. Expand these and see if I have this. So 8x squared plus 4x minus 10x, right? Minus 5. And these two, if you add them together, you get minus 6x, exactly what I'm looking for here. So writing it like that, I can simplify by these two brackets. So I have 4x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 1. And this is the final answer that I need to write. To be honest, you don't need to show all of that. This is just for you. Just writing this is sufficient for you to get the whole grade. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful for you, and let me know if you need more explanation about anything. Thanks, bye-bye.